Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn your list private on your accounts on X, which are easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click lists, and now click here. Now here you will find this private. Just click on it like this and click create, and it will be created. And that's it. That's how to make it private, make your list private, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.